Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all are fine, safe at home, and following the rules of cleanliness. Yes, I'm back here to take you to a new topic in EVS. Okay, where do you all stay? We all stay in a house, right? Yeah, the house in which we live with our family is called our home. So, our topic for today is home sweet home. Okay, home sweet home. So, as we all know that there we have learned about animal, plants, leaves. There are different kinds, right? In the same way, the houses are also of different kinds. Okay, here we see different types of houses. We have the pakka house, kacha house, the tent house, caravans, houseboat, and igloos. These are the different types of houses that we see in this picture. And these pakka houses are something which are permanent, which are strong, and kacha houses are not so strong. They are built with grass, bamboo, mud. Whereas pakka houses are built with bricks, steel, cement. All those materials are used to build. And this is the kacha house, and this is the picture of a pakka house. And there are houses which are on wheels, which I mean, like people, they keep moving from one place to another place. So in order to for them to be easy for moving along with their house, they have a house on the wheels. These are called caravans. It just looks like a van, and inside you can see all those like bedroom, kitchen, everything else, whatever you need, washroom, whatever you need will be there in the caravan. And then we have in cold places, people live in houses, different types of houses built with ice. These are called igloos. And can you see that the entrance of the igloo is very narrow? Why do you think is that entrance very narrow? Yes, the heat inside the igloo, it does not escape out. That is the reason they keep the entrance narrow. Okay, this is the house, another kind of house called igloo. And then we have houses on stilts. Can you see those extensions below into the water, pillar kind of things? Those are into the water. These houses are seen in places where generally they have floods, so that the water does not enter into their houses. And these is a good example for houses on stilt. And I have one more picture for that. This is also in the houses on stilt. And these are the modern houses. We have apartments which have different number of flats in that. Multi-story building, we can say. This is a multi-story building which we see in the modern times. These days, all of them prefer to stay in the apartments because it's like, security reasons. You have a good security, it's a gated community, nobody else can enter unless and until the security lets them in. So these are the different kinds of houses that we see. Mainly, there are two: pakka house and kacha house. And then we talk about temporary houses and permanent houses. Okay, as we have seen that caravans, tents are there, those are temporary houses because they can be moved from one place to another place depending upon their people, depending upon their profession. Like if they have work in a particular place, they work there, they finish their work, and then they move away from that place. So these are called temporary houses. These are the two main types: temporary houses and the permanent houses. Pakka houses are permanent houses. These modern houses, Pakka house, all those buildings, all are permanent houses, whereas tents, caravans, they are temporary houses. Okay, and we need to keep our houses clean, neat, so that we stay away from germs, diseases. Our family needs to be taken care, right? Our family needs to be taken care in the sense we should be away from diseases. In order for us to keep away from diseases, we need to maintain the house neat and clean. And there has to be, in order for the germs to be away, there has to be good ventilation into the house. Ventilation, where do you get from outside? You want to get the ventilation, so the house should have well equipped with windows, doors, and should be there so that the ventilation and the fresh air comes inside. And safety is something which is very mandatory, like locking of the house windows, doors, locking system should be there, and there should be durable doors and windows. Means the windows and doors has to be strong, and you should keep the floors clean by sweeping and mopping. Okay, we should be using phenyl or other any other floor cleaners to keep the house clean. And you should always throw the waste into the covered dustbins. You should have a lid for the dustbin so that all flies and all don't come and sit on them, and they carry the germs from that waste into the house, back into the house. And the kitchen should always be free from germs and insects. For that, you should be spraying disinfectants, kind of thing. And bathrooms also should be clean. They should be dry. Always, you should keep a point that they should be dry. And in order to make our house look beautiful, we also decorate our homes. Right. Decorate our homes with different kinds of paintings, wall hangings, door hangings, curtains, and different types of decorative pieces. And also for festivals like Diwali, we light up the houses with diyas, with wall hangings and all. But for a festival like Pongal, we decorate with rangolis. Eid also we decorate the houses, and for Christmas we decorate the houses with Christmas tree, bells, all sort of decorative items. All right, so this is the topic for us for today, Home Sweet Home, wherein we have learned about the homes, different types of homes like um, temporary houses and permanent houses. Temporary houses are those like which can be moved from one place to another place. Okay, and whereas these temporary houses and permanent houses are something like this, which cannot be moved. They are stationary at one place. These are the two main types, permanent houses and temporary houses. Why do we need to live in a house? Is something which traces like to stay away from, to keep us protection, give us protection from wind, rain, dust, cold, all those factors. Okay, hope you all have understood the topic. See you again for the next topic. Take care. Bye bye.